Welcome to another video of After 12. आज है एपिसोड नंबर 5 बिजनेस अवेयरनेस एंड करंट अफेयर्स। फर्स्ट न्यूज है पार ग्लोबल टू इन्वेस्ट 25 मिलियन टू सेट अप बैटरी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फैसिलिटी इन इंडिया। यूएस बेस्ड क्लीन एनर्जी एंड मोबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट स्टार्टअप पार ग्लोबल plans to invest USD 25 million around 185 crore to set up a lithium ion battery manufacturing unit and battery swapping infrastructure in India over the next 2 to 3 years. Telangana develops India's first smartphone-based e-voting solution. The e-voting solution has been developed by the Telangana State Election Commission (TSEC) with the implementation support of Emerging Technologies wing of the IT department of the state and the Center for Development of Advanced Computing (CDAC). मैंने पहले वीडियो में भी कहा था कि जो ये फर्स्ट वाली न्यूज होती है इन्हें अच्छे से याद रखना, मतलब ये इंपॉर्टेंट होती है। Shakib Al Hasan becomes highest wicket taker in T20 International. Bangladesh all-rounder Shakib Al Hasan becomes the highest wicket taker in T20 International cricket when he peeped Lasith Malinga tally of 107 wicket during their T20 World Cup game against Scotland. Indonesia wins Thomas Cup after 19 years. Indonesia blanked defending champion China 3-0 to win the Thomas Cup title for the first time since 2002. It was Indonesia's 14th overall term in the tournament history. Manipur residents celebrate renaming of Mount Harriet. People in many parts of Manipur celebrated the renaming of Mount Harriet in Andaman and Nicobar Island as Mount Manipur. Union Minister Amit Shah announced the renaming during his visit to the Andaman in recognition of revolt in Manipur during 1857 to 1891. Anthem on India's COVID-19 vaccination launch. The center released a COVID-19 vaccination anthem produced by singer and musician Kailash Khed to burst myth and slay vaccine hesitancy. So ये जो anthem का नाम है वो है भारत का टीकाकरण, तो एक बार टाइम मिले तो जरूर सुनना। Indian Army wins gold medal in the exercise Cambrian Patrol 2021. Indian Army is known for its leadership, self-discipline, courage, physical endurance, and determination. And in the latest Cambrian Patrol exercise, a team from 4:5 Gorkha Rifle Frontier Force, which represented the Indian Army, was awarded a gold medal. The Cambrian Patrol exercise was organized at Brecon, Wales, the UK. Indian American scientist gets Lifetime Achievement Award. Indian American scientist Dr. Vivek Lal was presented with the Lifetime Achievement Award at Ritosa Family Summit in Dubai. Indian Agri-Waste Recycling Project wins Prince William's Earth Shot Prize. A Delhi-based entrepreneur agriculture waste recycling project was named among the winner of Prince William's inaugural Earth Shot Prize dubbed the Eco Oscar at a gala ceremony in London. Navra Sky Disk, British Museum to display world's oldest map of star. An ancient object thought to be world's oldest map of the star is to go on display at the British Museum. The Navra Sky Disk is widely believed to be 3,600 years old, dating from the Bronze Age. RBI penalized Standard Chartered rupees 1.95 crore for gap in customer protection. The Reserve Bank of India (RBI) on Monday imposed a monetary penalty of rupees 1.95 crore on Standard Chartered Bank for not complying with various directions issued by central bank with regard to customer protection, cybersecurity framework in banks, credit card operation of banks, and creation of a central repository of large common exposure. Amit Shah to flag off Modi van. Union Home Minister Amit Shah will flag off Modi van under the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) Seva Hi Sangathan program to commemorate Prime Minister Narendra Modi completing 20 years as a head of government, which he did earlier this month. Delhi, Tamil Nadu lead India's transition to electric cooking with 17% adoption. CEEW study. In Delhi and Tamil Nadu, 17% family are using some form or electric cooking or e-cooking environment and water. CEEW. Niti Aayog launches Geospatial Energy Map of India. Niti Aayog, in collaboration with Indian Space Research Organisation (ISRO), has developed a comprehensive geographic information system (GIS) energy map of India with the support of Energy Ministries of Government of India. A statement issued by the Aayog said, UIDAI to host Aadhaar Hackathon 2021. Unique Identification Authority of India (UIDAI) will be hosting a hackathon titled Aadhaar Hackathon, targeting the young innovators who are still at various engineering institutes and eager to step into the real world. China's transition to clean energy faster than expected. The cost of solar and coal power in China could become comparable countrywide by 2023. A new US-China study has found, indicating that the country, the largest carbon emitter globally, could be at a tipping point towards transitioning to clean energy faster than expected. India ranked 40 out of 43 global pension system. India is ranked 40 out of 43 pension system across the world in the 2021 Mercer CFS Global Pension Index survey, suggesting the need for a strategic reform in India to revamp the pension system to ensure adequate retirement income. India had stood at 34th position out of 39 pension system rated in 2020. Indo-Canadian Amarjeet Sohi, ex-cabinet minister, elected mayor of Edmonton. Former Indo-Canadian cabinet minister Amarjeet Sohi has been elected mayor of the city of Edmonton in Canada, Alberta. The 57-year-old had opted out of contesting general election to focus on winning the mayoral polls. IMF chief economist Geeta Gopinath to leave job and return to Harvard University. IMF chief economist Geeta Gopinath will leave her job in January next year and return to prestigious Harvard University, according to the global financial institution. Amit Rastogi is the new chairman and managing director of National Research Development Corporation. Commander Amit Rastogi, after an illustrious career of 34 years in Indian Navy, has taken over as chairman and managing director of National Research Development Corporation on 18 October 2021. So this is all for today. आपको लगता होगा क्या ये मतलब पीपीटी बनाता है, न्यूज पढ़ देता है. सो ये जो न्यूज होती है ये सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी होती है. मुझे इसमें ज्यादा ऐड करने की जरूरत नहीं होती और आपको भी मतलब ज्यादा इन डेप्थ तो जाना नहीं है, आपको ओवरव्यू लेना है बस. सो आई होप ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज लाइक करना. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.